Alright, it's 2:29 p.m. My phone's at 1%, so we're gonna see.
Partly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Much cooler with highs in the upper 60s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 20%. Wednesday night, mostly
Are you serious?
cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Light and variable winds. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Light and variable winds. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 70%.
Yes! Please don't die on me, phone. Cool, I caught it on tape. Or video, you know what I mean.
Issued at 2:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 175, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Tornado
Time.
watch.
This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Boyd, Carter, and Greenup, and the following counties in Ohio: Gallia, Lawrence, and Scioto. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
including tornadoes, large hail, and disruptive winds
in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Hazard station KIH 39 in Ashland, Kentucky. Broadcasting on a frequency of...
That was cool. My first tornado watch EAS caught on tape. And I'm sorry I stepped on a water bottle. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 2:31 p.m.
Alright, 2:31 p.m. I end this. Hey Google, what is today?
It's Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022.
Okay. Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022. I knew I had it right. I just wanted to make sure. Anyway, peace. Bye. Okay, so I don't have much time to talk because my phone's about to die. Let me see if I got the cord here. Well, I have one, but I can't reach it. I'm not worried about it. Anyway, got my first tornado watch of 20... It may not be my first one. We'll just say of May 2022, because, you know, this is usually the month for tornadoes to hit almost every state. So far, we have had a bunch of tornadoes come down between this and last month. And, I just caught my first EAS on my NOAA Weather Radio. From start to finish. I have not caught one yet, except, like, one time I got lucky. And it still lit up. And I'm wearing my sunglasses because I just came in from outside. I'm gonna go, because this is about to die. And my charger's downstairs. I'm gonna go sit downstairs anyway. Anyway, peace. Bye! If you're new, please subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram.